Hi guys, this is Hope at Seedaholic Gardens, and I'm happy to be here with you again because I have unboxed package number 4. And normally I'll do that on camera, but my phone, which I use for my camera, ran out of juice, so I had to start over. So I just want to show you what I got from Tammy over at Tammy's Homestead Life. Awesome channel. If you haven't checked it out, you need to do so. She's really great with herbs and teaches you how to use them. She's an awesome crafter and shows you how to do her projects. If you haven't been there, go give her a visit because you'll really enjoy her content. But anyways, I wanted to show you what she sent me. It was so cool. This is something she made for me. And I don't know how she knew, but my hummers are my favorite. And this is a ruby-throated hummer, which we get here in Illinois. I have a feeder right outside my front door that scares my son all spring and summer, because every day when he walks out to go to work, there's hummingbirds there, and they zip past him because they're very fast flyers. And I think it's their revenge on him because this year I'm going to be putting in bee balm or monarda plants because in the backyard I had about 12 and he thought they were weeds and pulled out every single one, so I think they buzz him just to get back at him. She sent me a cute little note saying, "Hi, I hope you get enjoyment as I did when I received your package." Boom, right there. This has made my day. This is going to be in my front window because I have like one of those, it's not a dormer, it's like one of those that goes out but you can't sit in it. So I guess it is, I forget, a bow window. So this is going to be hanging in one of the 4 panels, and hopefully I can get her to make me a couple other birds, 3 more for the other panels, so I have these up all year long. So even when there's snow around, I still have my birds because I am a birder. So thank you, Tammy. And she gave me garden gloves, purple garden gloves. You guys have heard me say time and time again, this is my color, and this is the color purple, that's my color. And I go to the greenhouse and volunteer every Thursday. And in the greenhouse, we grow things to donate to the food pantry. Although the guys that own the greenhouse are market growers as well, but whatever doesn't sell gets donated on Sunday to the food pantry, which is every Monday in my area. These were the gloves I was using before. My husband was kind enough to give me a pair of his, but now I can be at the greenhouse and be cute. So thank you, Tammy. And look at this. We get together every day at Just Living's Live every morning, usually about 6:30, 5:30, 6:30 Central Standard Time, till about 9, when everybody has to go to work or get their day started. And we drink coffee or other things. In the summer, I expect I'll be drinking iced tea and juices and lemon water and that. And purple again is my color, and this says hashtag growing friends, and that's what we do in our little coffee clutch in the morning, is grow our relationships and grow our friendships. So thank you, Tammy. It's nice to know I have another friend. And for the youngins out there, Facebook has a different meaning from what us old timers consider the definition of friends. So thank you. Then she sent me seeds, and you guys know I'm a seedaholic, so hello, my name is Hope, and I'm a seedaholic. She sent me cherry tomatoes. And you guys know how I feel about cherry tomatoes. I have a serious love-hate relationship with them. I love to grow them. I hate to pick them. I had 12. Actually, I started out last year with 20 plants outside my front door, and I ripped out 12 of them and ended with 8. With 8 plants, I was picking cherry tomatoes an hour to an hour and a half every single day. So I'm going to ask my lovely husband to buy me a dehydrator because I ended up wasting a lot of them. I couldn't process that many. There were just too many. So I got a great idea from one of you, I don't remember who, I'm sorry, to dehydrate them and put them in jars, and then all winter I've got fresh tomatoes for using in soups, chili, spaghetti, all of my dishes. So thank you. Then I've got lavender, and this I love. Did you guys know that mosquitoes do not like the scent of lavender? If you didn't know, now you know. So when people say, "Oh, lavender makes you smell like an old lady," sign me up. I want to smell like an old lady because I don't see them slapping away a bunch of mosquitoes like all of us young fools. So maybe you ought to start smelling like an old lady. Grow some lavender. And I have some thyme. And mine, unfortunately, was killed, so I'll be glad to replace it. So thank you for that, because I do use it a lot. And did you guys know, in the islands, they use it a lot in seafood, and gives the seafood a really great flavor. If you don't know, grow some and try it. Then oregano. Oregano is a member of the mint family, so you better stick that in a container. But it's so good. It's in the Italian food flavor palette and the Greek food flavor palette. And it's another good one in Caribbean cuisine and fish, so another good one to grow. It's also good as a tea. I forget what it's good for, I've forgotten, but I'm sure the Google will tell you if you look it up. And sage. I use sage in so many things now because I do have some, but I only have one plant. So now I can get some more plants and make it a little thicket back there where I have it growing. It grows beautifully, so I'm going to add some more. And it is absolutely gorgeous. It makes your house smell beautiful. And I'm not sure if this is the one that you braid for smudge sticks, but I'm betting it probably is because Tammy does have Native American heritage. Believe it or not, so do I. So I'm going to learn how to do that, and I will burn some smudge sticks in my home I believe it's to honor the ancestors is why that's done, and to make your house smell beautiful. So thank you, Tammy. Ooh, broccoli, 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 yay! And you guys know my story about broccoli and my daughter, and I got more beets. I will be succession planting beets a lot because I use the greens in juicing and I eat the bottoms a lot. They're really healthy for you. And if you haven't seen the other videos, go back and watch them. I've got great suggestions for how to use them. And I want to say to you guys, as always, like everybody else says, happy gardening. But I also wish you fruitful, productive, blessed gardens this year in 2019. And hope to see you again on my next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button, and you'll know when my next video is coming out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.